Purple!
That we don't even know.
Get over here.
Random.
I want to be in the video, please. I've never been in a video.
What?
I've never been in a video. I've never
Get out
been
of
in a
here if you don't
video.
want to be in one.
I've never been in one.
Weird, and
I've never been in one.
I've been in like 25
I've never-
videos.
I've never been in one! Back away!
Hey, get over here!
Back away!
Hey, get over here! Get over here!
Nah, guys, chase him! Yo, we gotta contain this kid!
Back away!
We gotta contain this kid! Contain him! Contain him!
Got him!
Yeah! Get him! Get him! He's out! He's loose! He's loose! Freaking ugly.
Back away! I told you back away!
I think he's leaving the code!
Get back over this way.
No, he didn't. Up. He's down here. He's right here. I found him.
No! I said back away! I said back away!
Stand down.
I said back away!
Stand down.
I said, ah! No! I said back away! I said back away! I said back away!
And I said stand down.
And I said back away!
Stand down.
I said back away!
Stand down.
I said back away!
Want to make me call the cops?
Hey! That's racism! That's racism! What?
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is!
Just because you're a lava monkey?
Just because I'm black.
No, it isn't. You're black? You're a lava monkey.
No, I'm black.
You're literally from Jurassic Park. Where are you?
He's running on one leg and he's faster than us.
Yeah, I know.
He's right here. He's going.
Hey, Green.
No.
Chase them. We have to make the video now.
Bro, I'm breaking all these people's ankles, bro. Oh, God.
Just not that good anymore. You make the video.
Not that good anymore.
I'm in a video right. I'm making a video right now, and I'm breaking all y'all's ankles, bro.
Come on.
We have 10 subscribers.
The
Opposite of this game.
Oh, crap. Come get me. Bye-bye.
I hate you so much.
Ah, I hit my head. I hit my head.
Everyone add a 1 to the code.
No, don't leave. Yo, bro, don't leave. Y'all are being sore losers right now, bro. What?
Is it
You
casual?
hurt our feelings.
My bad, bro.
Guys, don't leave.
No, we're joking. We're joking. We're joking.
Yes. Get purple.
Oh, my arm hurts now. God. I haven't played in forever.
Different color.
Alright. No, get over here. We gotta do a video.
I'm not making a video. Shut up. Hold on, let me put on my cosmetics. Hold on 1 second.
That boy. I'm not scared. Now we gotta do the whole thing, guys.
Your whole entire life saving
decided to be a
for that
tough
one
guy.
little golden
I didn't.
hat.
I didn't. I spent less than one and 2/5. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. I spent less than 1 and 2/5 of my life savings.
Okay, shut up.
Sit down, buddy. Sit down, shorty. Shorty, sit down. Oh, hell no.
You can't tag us.
Mama's gonna
You
get
can't
mad.
tag us. You can't tag us.
Hi,
Golden monkey. You can't tag me, bro. I'm too good. Watch this, guys. Jukes.
You can't juke me. I know all the jukes. I did the flick.
Oh, you just got you. Get over here.
I didn't. I just fucking moved.
Bruh.
I'm in. Okay. Everybody to go and stomp.
not in stump where you have problems.
I'm not a stump, I'm a mountain.
Alright, so you just have to part of the video then.
Bro, I'm playing against these people, and I just broke their ankles, bro. I just broke their ankles so bad.
Stomps. Who just got tagged?
What? What?
Who just got tagged? This kid right here. Whoa. How?
Wait,
Oh, it's you. That's not vortex. This is my vortex. Why are you in our code again? You just said. You didn't know.
I'm sorry, I just joined. I like that new YouTube short video.
Huh?
I like that new YouTube short.
What is it?
It's like,
Why the good girls like bad guys? I've been wanting to know for a real long time.
am I good or like, I don't know. Actually, am I
Nope.
Alright, my ankles. Give him. Oh, please.
Wait, did he actually I got you guys.
I'm breaking all their ankles again, bro. And I'm not even lava this time. I was lava and I was breaking all their ankles, bro.
Alright, everybody go on stump. I'm gonna be it.
It's Vortex.
You need to tag
On
him.
top,
I need
on
to be
top
it.
of stump.
Alright, everybody add one to the code and make sure it's Kaz. It needs
Hold on,
to be
let me find it.
no lavas first.
Vortex VR1.
One to the code
Vortex
and
VR1. In Vortex VR1. Vortex VR1. Hey, are you party hat? Are you party hat? Hey, dog, what's good? Yo, what's good, bruh?
Line up on the wall.
I'm making a video right now.
Line up.
Heads.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir.
Line up.
What?
Against the wall.
Oh, me!
Against the wall we go. Okay, Lizzie.
Okay,
Lizzie.
what? Why am I
Lizzie,
first?
you're
Why am I first?
Everybody get out behind me. Everyone's. You're first. We're gonna do.
But that's my dog. But that's my dog.
You're sure.
Yeah, see?
Okay, bro, put it in me.
Oh, okay, then yeah, you can go with it.
I can be.
That's my dog, bro. Yeah, I've owned him for 20 years, bro. He's been my dog for 20 years, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
dog knows things. Vortex, get behind me. Vortex is gonna get behind me.
20 years.
2 days ago.
No, 20 years. No, no, yeah,
20
no,
years, 20
yeah,
years.
no. 20 years.
You
20 years
stole
he's been my dog.
boy. Let's
Okay, so what we doing?
Eddie dog.
Okay, so what we doing?
I
So what we
steal
doing?
dogs.
So
Alright,
what we
Vortex,
doing?
get behind me, bro. There's gonna be problems.
So what we doing? So what we doing?
You get behind me. You get behind me.
Squeak, squeak.
Okay, dog, do that.
So I need your dog to do this. Or your dog to be
My
in
dog-
you. I need
Bro.
your dog to be literally in you.
Okay.
Yes, be like this. Like this, right? Right.
Whoa, whoa,
Yep,
what?
yep.
I
Alright.
don't like this.
Ready?
Yo, what's good?
That's so
3, 2, 1,
talking.
go. You're gonna. Okay, perfect.
Dog, let's go. Dog, let's go.
Skedaddle. Skedaddle.
Dog, let's go.
Skedaddle.
Dog, let's
Skedaddle
go.
with your owner.
Let's skedaddle, bro. Let's skedaddle. Skedaddle.
Let's skedaddle. Skedaddle.
Skedaddle. I said skedaddle. Skedoodle, skedaddle, same thing. Skedaddle, skedaddle, skedaddle. Run, skedaddle. 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 Skedaddle.
Run, Forrest, run.
Yeah, let's go. Skedaddle.
Let's go spawn in the skeleton.
Dog?
Ohio town, yeah.
Oh, hi, dog.
Okay. Okay, what are you doing? Does your dog have mods?
Yeah, I wish too. I don't got Steam.
I can fly.
No, but I wish.
Okay, come here. Come here. No.
I mean, I have Omni Tag. Closest to
No,
mine.
come here. I'm not gonna do a swing with
Stop
you.
talking!
Come here. Come here. Okay. Yo, what is the dog doing? He's kissing. Tell me that I cannot fly when. Hold on. I can kiss him. Someone's kissing. Hold on.
Wait.
I did it wrong. Where? My mods aren't working. Where are they kissing?
Go to OG Mines we go.
Come here, I want to show you. Everybody, search for these guys. These guys are wanted criminals. Search for them. They're kissing. Yeah, they're
Wanted criminals. Wait, what?
You and a dog cannot be kissing.
Wait, we're wanted criminals.
Bro, what did we do? Yo, wait, hold on, what? Hey, hide! Hide! Hide!
Run away. Don't search OG. Let him kiss his. Let him kiss his kitten. Let him kiss his kitten. That was just gay. His kitten. Discord mod. He's a Discord mod, though. He is. The gang is coming for you. The gang is not coming, bro.
Hey, dog!
I have a YouTube, bro. I could like, make you unrecommended. He's the one that rolled in mine, yeah. He's over here. Town, yeah. I see him. I see him. Over there.
We spotted.
Come here. Why?
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Wait. I'm not gonna do anything.
Go, 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 go!
I don't want to. The dog has mods. The dog has mods. Alert, the dog has mods. Guys, he's going up the city. They're going up the city. The dog has mods. The dog has mods. Alert, the dog has mods. Guys, they're all going back.
Dog! What were you supposed to... Dog! You did something wrong, bro!
You don't see him. No, he's not there. See, he's not there.
Hold on. I want someone to clip this for me. Hey, someone clip this for me. Hold on. Move. Hold on. I want someone to clip this for me. I bought a new apartment, I did. Mentioned it had a hole, they did not. What you... You came out my apartment. What the bruh? Nah, bruh. Run.
Yeah, I came out of here. You're a wanted criminal. How did the cookie cutter shark get out?
Hey, T-Bob. Hey. Ah! Run!
You're caught.
Let's go, Vortex.
Wait. I'm not gonna do anything to you. We know you don't. Stay still. Stay still.
Oh,
Get over here. It's $5 to leave.
Yo. No!
What, dog? Can you fly?
You're dead, dog. I stabbed you. Killed the dog. Stabbed you, I did.
Killed the
Rufus,
dog.
come here!
Killed the
Rufus,
dog.
come here! Rufus!
Killed the dog.
Rufus, get over here!
Can't fly, bro.
Get over here, Rufus!
Challenge, are we
Come on,
challenge?
come on, Rufus.
Can we do
Come on,
challenge?
Rufus. Come on, Rufus.
Get him.
Rufus!
Actually, don't get shot.
Rufus! Come on!
You're under arrest. Rufus, get over here. Hey, guys, come here.
Rufus!
Be a hamster.
James! James! Wait,
I know you can't.
Jaquavius James? Which one of you?
No, wait, I can get my lifeline.
Dog! Hey, dog! Hey, dog, I gotta go. Hey, dog, I gotta go. My Oculus is almost dead. Hey, hey, dog. Hey, dog. Dog. Dog.
I'm choking you.
Dog. Okay, I have to go.
I'm choking your owner.
Yeah.
I'll-
See ya. See ya. See ya, dog. Hey, just